you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our new puppy Duke, and I wanted to film a video introducing him and letting you guys meet him and kind of telling you a little bit about him. It's probably going to be short, but so is he, so that's okay. Alrighty, so this is Duke. He is a Chihuahua Shihtzu mix. He's about 3 months old this week, like just turned 3 months old. He weighs 3 pounds. He's a big boy. And he's so cute. Just look at that little. I love him. He is so sweet and kind with everybody, although with me and Riley, he's kind of bitey. But that's because we're a puppy and we're teething and we're trying to learn. But he loves to cuddle. He loves to sleep around your neck and like, oh, I have some ugly pictures of me, but I'll insert one. He likes to like wrap himself around your neck like a scarf and will sleep through the night like that, like hours in the night. We'll sleep like that. He loves to play and chew on things and bite things. He's just learning how to walk, which is hilarious, but I mean, obviously he can walk around the house and stuff, but he's just kind of getting the hang of walking on concrete and grass and feeling that. We've taken him out multiple times, but it's just been so cold and snowy here that he would get outside and just stand there and shake and he wouldn't do anything. And so now that's a little bit nicer. We've been taking him on a little bit, I would say like medium, see, wraps around the neck. We've been taking him on like medium length walks, letting him stop, carrying him, and just really being patient with him and his needs. He's so sweet. I love him so much. My family calls him Coconut because he looks like a little coconut. Oh, yawn, Bubba's. Riley and I call him Bubs, Mister, honestly, any kind of nickname. He's our little Duke and we love him so much. He's so sweet. If you want to see him, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I post about him literally all the time on my story and everything. But he's just this like tiny little precious baby. He has learned to go up the stairs by himself and he will book it up them, but is so scared to come down. He will lay at the top and cry and cry and cry and cry and cry and cry until we go and get him. He loves to steal his mom's makeup brushes and run around the house with them. And he's just so cute. He loves car rides, snuggling, and just being the cutest puppy in the world. If you guys have any questions for us about Duke or want to see a different video with him, please let us know. But I just wanted to come on here and formally introduce you guys to him. I did post a bunch of vlogs with him and I made a video about his first couple of weeks with us, but we're so in love. We're so grateful we have him. The sleep schedule's been a little wonky. The first couple of weeks I was waking up with him at like 2:30ish and then 4:50, and at 4:50 he was ready for the day, which was brutal because we have work and I have to wake up for work at 7 and be there by 8, and so waking up at 4:50 was not great. We've slowly gotten him. He doesn't wake up in the night anymore and he wakes up for the day at 6:45, which I absolutely can do. So he's just, oh, he's a perfect part of our family. He's so sweet. We've had such a fun morning together because Riley is gone for the day, but I love him and I just wanted to show you guys him and let you see his cute face. He's literally asleep right now. He's like out. Thank you so much for watching. We love you and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.